Is your bedroom performance struggling? 7 natural herbs to boost your confidence and vitality. Introduction. Are you frustrated with your performance in the bedroom? Have you ever wondered why some men seem to have boundless energy and stamina, while others struggle with even the basics? What if I told you there's a way to enhance your sexual health naturally, with no prescriptions or invasive treatments? Today, we're diving into 7 powerhouse herbs that can potentially transform your performance and boost your confidence. Stick around to discover these natural solutions that are backed by science, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to put them to use for maximum results. Before we jump into the details, don't forget to hit that like button if you're serious about enhancing your health, and subscribe to get more tips on improving your well-being. Also, drop a comment below. Have you ever tried any natural supplements for performance? Let's talk about it. Body. Herb number 7. Tribulus terrestris, the testosterone amplifier. Let's start with one of the most renowned herbs used for boosting testosterone levels. Tribulus terrestris. For centuries, athletes and warriors have relied on this plant for its remarkable ability to increase testosterone production. Studies have shown that this herb can stimulate the body to produce more testosterone naturally, without the need for synthetic hormones. But the benefits don't stop there. As testosterone levels rise, men report more energy, increased libido, and improved muscle mass. A 2017 study published in the Journal of Andrologia confirmed that Tribulus significantly increased testosterone levels and improved sexual function in men with low testosterone. Not only does it enhance performance in the bedroom, but it also supports overall vitality and energy. So, if you're looking for a natural testosterone booster, Tribulus might be your best bet. For optimal results, consider taking between 500 and 1,500 milligrams per day, preferably split into 2 or 3 doses. Herb number 6. Ashwagandha. The stress killer. Stress is one of the most insidious culprits behind poor sexual performance. It leads to reduced testosterone, anxiety, and fatigue, all of which can significantly impact your libido. Enter ashwagandha, a powerful adaptogen known for its ability to combat stress and promote relaxation. Studies have shown that ashwagandha can lower cortisol, the stress hormone, while simultaneously boosting testosterone levels. For example, a 2019 study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that ashwagandha reduced cortisol by 27% and enhanced testosterone in men. This herb also supports brain function, improves sleep quality, and boosts stamina. For best results, take 300 to 600 milligrams per day, ideally before bed, to help with sleep and recovery. Herb number 5. Saffron, the libido enhancer. What if a spice you already use in your cooking could also enhance your libido? Saffron, the vibrant golden herb used in many cuisines, is actually a potent aphrodisiac. Not only does it enhance mood and reduce stress, but it also improves blood circulation, making it easier to achieve and maintain an erection. A 2019 study in phytomedicine confirmed that saffron significantly improved erectile function and boosted sexual arousal. It also fights inflammation and can help with weight loss. You can take saffron in doses ranging from 30 to 50 milligrams daily, either in tea or mixed with water or juice. Herb number 4. Ginseng, the ultimate stamina booster. If stamina is a concern, ginseng might be your secret weapon. Known for its ability to boost nitric oxide production, ginseng helps dilate blood vessels, which enhances blood flow to the penis and supports longer-lasting erections. But it's not just for sexual health. Ginseng also fights fatigue, increases energy, and improves physical endurance. A 2013 study in the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that ginseng improved erection quality and overall satisfaction in men with erectile dysfunction. The recommended dosage ranges from 200 to 600 milligrams per day, ideally taken in the morning or before workouts. Herb number 3. Tongkat Ali, the testosterone maximizer. If you're looking for an herb that can significantly boost testosterone levels, Tongkat Ali is worth considering. Studies have shown that it can enhance free testosterone in just weeks, leading to improved muscle growth, energy, and libido. A study from 2012 found a 37% increase in free testosterone within just 4 weeks of taking Tongkat Ali. For best results, take 200 to 600 milligrams daily. This herb is particularly useful for men who are struggling with low testosterone and want a natural boost without resorting to prescription medication. Herb number 2. Ginkgo biloba, the blood flow enhancer. When it comes to improving circulation, Ginkgo biloba is one of the most well-researched herbs. Ginkgo enhances nitric oxide production, which dilates blood vessels and improves blood flow throughout the body. This is crucial for achieving strong, lasting erections. A 2020 study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine confirmed that Ginkgo biloba improved erectile function, especially in men with circulation issues. For best results, take between 120 to 240 milligrams daily, ideally in the morning. Combining it with ginseng can further enhance blood flow for maximum effect. Herb number 1. Horny goatweed, the natural Viagra. Now, let's talk about the ultimate herb for erectile function. Horny goatweed. Despite its unusual name, this herb has been compared to prescription ED drugs due to its powerful ability to increase nitric oxide and improve blood flow. A 2010 study in the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that horny goatweed significantly improved erectile function without the side effects often associated with pharmaceuticals. Take 500 to 1,500 milligrams 30 to 60 minutes before sexual activity for peak performance. Conclusion: these 7 herbs, Tribulus terrestris, ashwagandha, saffron, ginseng, Tongkat Ali, Ginkgo biloba, and horny goatweed, are natural solutions backed by science to help you take control of your performance. While no single herb is a magic bullet, when combined and used correctly, they can have a profound impact on your vitality, energy, and bedroom confidence. If you're interested in learning more about the best ways to incorporate these herbs into your routine, leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and share this video with anyone who might benefit from these natural solutions. Incorporating these herbs can provide you with a holistic approach to improving sexual health, without the risks and side effects associated with pharmaceutical drugs. So, take charge of your well-being today and see what these natural wonders can do for you.